Let's take a live look outside at Northerly Island, where preparations are underway for Beyond Wonderland. The electronic dance festival runs tomorrow and Sunday at the Huntington Bank Pavilion. Show starts at 2 tomorrow afternoon.
And it is rain or shine, so some dancers might be dodging raindrops this weekend, it sounds like. Chief Meteorologist Albert Ramon joins us from the First Alert Weather Sphere. Albert?
All in all, actually pretty good news for the weekend. It's not a washout. We're going to have to deal with some showers and thunderstorms, but overall, the best chance of rainfall area-wide, it's going to happen tonight into early tomorrow morning. We're dry right now in Chicago, but here's what's going on in south central areas of Wisconsin. We have a line of showers and thunderstorms developing. At times, there's been rotation embedded in this line that has prompted tornado warnings. The good news is as it moves into Illinois, it's going to start to weaken a bit, but we're still expecting widespread showers and thunderstorms to increase across our area as we go into midnight and beyond. So here's the timeline. Now through midnight, isolated thunderstorms. We have one isolated storm on the map in McHenry County. We'll look at that closer in a second. Midnight to 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, more scattered to even numerous showers and thunderstorms, some of which could produce heavy downpours and even some gusty winds, 50+ miles per hour. So the weekend is not a washout. Best chance of rain tomorrow before 6 a.m. with daytime heating back in the 80s tomorrow. Additional showers and thunderstorms scattered about late afternoon into the evening hours on your Saturday, and another round of a few passing thunderstorms. Some of these could be on the gusty side as we head into Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. Rainfall amounts this weekend, isolated amounts as high as 1 inch will be possible. And again, a lot of that's going to fall tonight into tomorrow morning. We have a ton of moisture in the atmosphere. There's high pressure centered over Atlanta, clockwise flow around that high, grabbing Gulf moisture, surging it northward. It's running up ahead of a front. That front is an ignition or upward motion in the atmosphere, and you get these thunderstorms to blossom. Tornado warning right now, south central Wisconsin. There's also a couple of tornado warnings ongoing in Iowa. As it moves into our area after midnight, the atmosphere becomes a little bit more stable, so it's mainly just a heavy rain and gusty wind threat for us here at home. There's that one lone thunderstorm starting to produce quite a bit of lightning right now. North central areas in McHenry County. We're quiet here in the city after a few passing showers in the North Shore in the last hour. So let's go beyond midnight. Notice the radar really starting to kind of get cooking here. 1, 2, 3 a.m. It continues through about 6 a.m. and then a break from this activity. There's going to be several hours tomorrow where we're rain free, but with highs back in the 80s, there's 3 o'clock. Daytime heating allowing for scattered showers and storms, nothing widespread. But even these thunderstorms could be on the stronger side, gusty winds, and cloud ground lightning is an issue. So if you have outdoor plans, you're headed to the beach, got some outdoor plans, Northerly Island or Grant Park, keep an eye on cloud ground lightning over the weekend. It gets hot next week, 87 on Tuesday. We've got 90s middle part of next week, heat indices above 100. And Eric and Joe, any of the days next week featuring a chance of thunderstorms, some of those could even be severe. We'll watch it for you.
Sounds good. Thanks, Albert.